A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the sacred geometry of self-respect, humanity's innate design to create and thrive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a journey into the inner architecture of dignity, creativity, and divine human purpose. Every human being is born with a silent geometry of greatness, a sacred design woven of consciousness, creativity, and grace. Hidden within this design lies the power that gives meaning to human life, self-respect. It is the invisible compass that directs thought, dignifies action, and brings radiance to existence. Self-respect is not pride, it is reverence, the quiet realization that every life is a reflection of the same universal intelligence, and that honor is not granted by the world but awakened from within. Modern science affirms that the human mind is inherently generative, designed to imagine, to build, and to uplift. Neuroscience reveals that creativity blossoms not in fear or comparison, but in states of self-assurance and worthiness. The brain's higher centers, those governing empathy, vision, and imagination, function in their fullest harmony when anchored in dignity. Thus, self-respect is not an emotional luxury. It is a biological and psychological foundation for human brilliance. It enables clarity of thought, integrity in action, and harmony in relation. Ancient wisdom long anticipated this truth. The Bhagavad Gita portrays the person of steady understanding as one who stands serene amid praise and insult alike, whose equilibrium flows from inner esteem, not external validation. In that luminous balance, life becomes art, work becomes worship, and self-respect, once personal, becomes cosmic. The Upanishads whisper the same secret, that the one who knows the self as pure consciousness moves through the world untouched, radiant, and free. Dignity, therefore, is not a possession but a remembrance of the divine design within. History bears witness whenever humanity rediscovered self-respect, civilizations flowered. The Renaissance, humanitarian movements, and scientific awakenings were not accidents of intellect but affirmations of worth. They began when the human spirit refused to bow before falsehood or fear, and conversely, every age of decline began with the erosion of that sacred esteem. When dignity fades, creativity falters. When respect returns, creation resumes its eternal rhythm. What's the way forward? To restore that rhythm, self-respect must become the axis of education, leadership, and life. Learning must awaken value alongside knowledge. Leadership must guide through trust, not control. Relationships must nurture individuality rather than possession. A society rooted in respect will need no coercion to be kind. Where self-worth flourishes, compassion follows. Where dignity reigns, creation blooms naturally. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, self-respect is the invisible current that carries humanity from survival to significance. It makes thought constructive, action purposeful, and life creative. To honor oneself is to align with the divine architecture that sustains the universe, the sacred geometry of balance, creation, and grace. As Lord Krishna declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, by elevating one's own nature through noble action, one becomes the master of destiny. In that eternal truth rests the promise of humanity to rise not through conquest but through inner nobility, to build not in arrogance but in reverence, and to let the radiance of self-respect illuminate the path for all creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.